PVR INOX Ltd has partnered with Star Sports Network to live screen the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 in India. This collaboration is allowing PVR INOX to show all India matches during the league stage, Super 8, semi-final and final in over 121 cinemas across more than 45 cities, including major metros and 2 Tier and Tier 3 cities. The initiative aims to enhance the viewing experience using advanced cinematic technology. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody, Gautam Datta, CEO of PVR INOX Ltd, highlighted the success of a similar initiative last year, noting the high audience turnout and popularity. Vikram Pasi, head of marketing at Star Sports Network, emphasized that the partnership will create vibrant mini-stadium environment in cinemas, uniting fans and enhancing the communal. Despite reporting a net quarterly loss of Rs 130 crore, the company is expanding its portfolio to include concerts, sports and other events including the performances of cricket. PVR INOX's loss have decreased compared to the previous year, but the growth has been slow due to lack of major movie releases, many of which are scheduled post-national elections which were in June, July and ahead. The chain formed by the merger of two major operators is also competing with the growing popularity of the streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime and JioCinema. Now this above scenario is related to one of the finest economic concept. But which one? The answer is Porter's 5 Forces. Porter's 5 Forces is a framework for analyzing the competitive forces within an industry developed by Michael E. Porter in 1979. It helps the businesses to understand the intensity of competition and the profitability potential of their industry. By examining these forces, companies can develop strategies to enhance their competitive position. Ahead, the relevant concept of Porter 5 forces to our scenario include the 5 forces, out of which number 1 is threat of new entrants. The potential for new companies to enter the industry affects the competition. Barriers to entry such as high capital requirements, brand loyalty and regulatory constraint influence the threat level. Under this, PVR INOX response is, by leveraging its established infrastructure and brand, PVR is enhancing its value proposition through exclusive events which are harder for the new entrants to replicate. Number 2 is bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers' ability to drive up prices or reduce the quality of goods and services can impact an industry's profitability. Fewer suppliers or unique resources increase the supplier power. To this, PVR INOX response include by diversifying content to include live sports and concert. PVR reduces its dependence on film studios, thus balancing the power dynamics. They are creating alternative revenue streams that not only rely solely on traditional film content. Number 3 is bargaining power of buyers. Customers' ability to negotiate lower prices or higher quality influences the competition. When buyers are few and purchase in large number volumes can easily switch to competitors, their power where it is higher. To this, PVR INOX response include by offering unique experiences like live sports screenings and concert. PVR aims to draw customers who are looking for a communal and immersive entertainment experience that streaming services cannot provide. Number 4 is threat of substitute product or services. The availability of alternative product or service that can perform the same function affects an industry's attractiveness. High threat of substitutes can limit the potential for price increases and profitability. To this, PVR INOX response include the multiplex chain is enhancing its service offerings to create experiences that cannot be matched by home viewing, such as the excitement of live sports and even thereby reducing the attractiveness of substitutes. And number 5 is rivalry among existing competitors. The degree of competition among existing firms impact the prices, margins and profitability. High rivalry is often driven by numerous competitors, slow industry growth or high fixed cost. To this, PVR INOX response include by emerging with INOX, PVR has already reduced some competitive pressure through consolidation. Furthermore, by adding diverse content offerings, they differentiate themselves from competitors who might only focus on films, thus attracting a broader audience. In conclusion, PVR INOX strategy to include live sports and concert is a direct response to the high bargaining power of buyers and the threat of substitute. It aims to offer something unique that cannot be easily substituted by streaming services. By reducing the reliance on traditional move content, PVR INOX mitigates the bargaining power of suppliers and spread its risk. Overall, Porter's 5 forces provide a framework to understand the strategic moves by PVR INOX in response to the competitive pressures in the entertainment industry. By enhancing their value proposition through diversified content, they are better positioning to compete with streaming services and attract more foot traffic to their cinemas. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you're new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.